Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here Sabi Davidson and head coach Sheldrick Comfort of the PLDT High School Winters, who won in 4 sets against the Creamline Cool Smashers. Coach, congratulations with this victory, although you didn't make it to the semifinals, but still, it's a good way to end the conference. How do you feel about this win?
Yeah, nabanggit naman sa kanila yung mindset going to this game na syempre yun nga, to end it on a high note. At the same time, yun talaga yung goal talaga every conference is to get 9 wins. So akala namin, yun nga, kung di namin nakuha to, talagang 2 games behind. So at least naka 8, isa na lang kulang. Sana next conference maabot na namin. Pero at least natapos, saka yung preparation namin for next conference medyo positive.
Thank you, Coach. And for Sabi, you had 27 points tonight against Creamline. How does it feel to be able to close the conference out on a high?
I think it just shows our hard work throughout the conference. No matter the ups and downs, we were always able to, show up better the next day. So I'm really proud of the group that we had, this conference, and I can't wait to see what we do next conference.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, yun nga, alam naman natin nakakain na yun. Pero kayo as a coach, paano nyo lang nilift yung moral nila after nitong campaign nyo?
Siguro naging challenging yung part na yung last 3 games namin. In reality, kailangan talaga namin makadalawa eh. So regardless naman, mahirap naman talaga yung competition. Pero at least sa dulo man lang medyo kumagat na talagang mawala na ng pressure. Kasi doon na lang nagkatalo-talo nung last 3 games namin eh. Yung pag hindi mentally prepared, pag hindi yung focus na mawawala, hindi talaga nagpa-perform. So siguro yun pa rin yung pinaka-lesson sa amin.
Sabi, another conference that ended in a close call to reach the semi. So what did you learn about, I guess, yourself or how your game has improved in your stay here in the PBL in the Philippines after maybe a tough stretch but also a productive one for you?
I think personally I've learned more about myself in terms of just being more calm and confident, on the court and being there for the girls. I think as a team we've learned a lot. Patience is key, working hard, the sacrifices that pay off every day in practice, those long days, early mornings type thing. I think knowing that and going into the next conference, we're gonna, put a lot out there, and I'm really excited.
And just to follow, what do you think will be, the missing link that you'll finally get to put on the court once you step into the next conference after everything that you've learned thus far?
I mean, I don't think there's a missing piece. I think we have all the pieces. It's just, we just have to put them together. It's just figuring out the puzzle. It's knowing what kind of role people have to play and how we put that together, how we play beside each other. I don't think that we're, we could, at the end of the day, say we don't have something. We have it all, and I'm really, like I said, I'm excited, especially with the new additions coming. Hopefully they come back and stuff and really quickly. So there's nothing, I feel like we're missing at all. Yeah, I'm excited.
We also have Kat Ayade here with us. Team Captain Kat, you had 16 excellent digs tonight against Creamline. So you fell short of the semifinals. Looks like you guys got to end the conference out on a high. Ano lang masasabi mo sa naging performance ng team?
Sobrang nakaka-proud kasi nga, yun nga, kahit kinapos kami, andun pa rin kasi yung willingness ng mga tao na mag-improve pa. Tsaka yun nga, hindi naman natatapos yung laban sa isang pangit na laro. So, yun lang talaga yung mentality namin na lagi pinapaalala ng coaches. Hanggat may bola, talagang laban. Laban ba, coach? Laban.
For Kat and Coach, ito yung first na panalo ng PLDT sa Creamline since sumali sa PBL. Gano'n lang kalaking bagay na nakuha niyo na ngayon na madadala niyo pa sa mga susunod na conference?
Actually, yun nga, part ng motivation eh. Kasi nga, very difficult naman yung scenario na kailangan namin para makapasok. Pero hindi naman nga pwedeng tapusin lang na daanin lang namin. So nandun yung motivation na kung hindi man makapasok, at least makaisa man lang tayo before matapos. Saka yun nga, hindi pa nila nakukuha ever since. So malaki siguro naman ang epekto sa amin. Sana.
Saka yun nga yung sinasabi nila, coach, na hindi kami papasok dun sa taas kung hindi namin makukuha yung mga nandun sa taas. Hindi kami makakabingwit ng panalo dun sa mga, yun nga, kasi nga Creamline is standard din talaga ng volleyball. So, nag-i-improve kami, pero nag-i-improve din yung team. ng ibang teams. So kailangan namin magtrabaho pa para, yun nga, extra motivation din to sa amin na papasok yung next conference na talagang mag-i-improve pa kasi andun na kami. Pero yun nga, kailangan pa namin mag-improve para ma-meet pa namin yung goal ng team.
Kat, how did you encourage natin yung team entering this game against Creamline na kahit ngayong semis ay malayo na, you had to finish pa rin a conference in the best way possible?
Siguro yung sa akin kasi yung coaches talaga never talagang hindi talaga sila nagkulang na paalalahanan kami. Yun nga, si coach noon naman talaga sa technical, talagang grabe. Parang sinusubo niya na sa amin yung strategy para manalo every game. So siguro yung ano na lang pangpitik na lang din siguro na kailangan level lang yung emotions namin kasi kailangan namin maging level para mas makapag-isip kami na maayos. So siguro ako ginagawa ko lang yung part ko as a leader na i-cover yung sa likod para di na din mahirapan yung mga spikers sa harap.
For Sabi, I'm just wondering what does this mean? What does this game mean to you? That you, even though the team's not going to the semifinals, you still gave your all.
I mean, like Kat said, we kind of just had to give it our all. There was nothing that we could lose, and I'm thinking about it now, and we've beat the top 2 teams in the conference. You know, it kind of shows a lot. You know, when we show up and we put our best out there, the sky's the limit. So I think from that and just being able to show up without, you know, that motivation, that extra like we can get into semis, I think we are able to control the energy that we put out, right? So knowing that and kind of going into next season, I think, you know, using that and putting it forward, it's going to be really helpful in terms of adding that motivation and adding that determination, knowing that we are capable of what we did tonight.
For Sabi, just to add, do you think that this win makes a statement for your next conference, most especially first time for BLED to beat Creamline?
I think I notice more and more fans that come out every game for us, and I think that's the best part of it. I mean, when I got here last year, we had a fan base, but it was not near as much as it is tonight. Or, you know, like hearing our name against Creamline, like, let's go BLD. I was like, whoa, like we have a lot of people here, and I'm so happy, you know, that people are watching us and understanding the work that we put in, and I think that means a lot to not only us, but, you know, just volleyball as a whole, right? We appreciate it every time we go into, you know, the gym. We appreciate it every time we show up and leave the court, and I don't know, I just love to see that growth. So, I mean, coming out of it as a statement, I think the fans are itself a statement. So, thank you.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Sam.
Thank you.